learned so much from being here. You know, if I can sort of give that back to other people as well and help inspire them, or maybe just, yeah, even just have like one little idea that they can implement into their practice and what they're doing, I think it feels really special, actually.
I think it's important when you're studying to just not just be focused on meeting deadlines and jumping through the academic hoops. Like, it's really important to see what you're doing in the wider context of like people that have actually been doing it for a long time and have made it work.
So it's great to be here for Industry Week. This makes a huge difference to the students. You know, when I was a student, there was obviously no YouTube. There were no people telling everyone how they did stuff. Being able to ask questions and talk to people who've been doing this, you know, it's really daunting at the beginning. And I think that this kind of event is absolutely invaluable for the students.
At these sort of events, you might just meet someone and have a chat with someone that you actually forge a connection that will be useful to you going forward. You know, obviously a lot of companies offer work experience and internships, and you know, this is the sort of place that you might be able to make those connections.
I think the future's really bright when you've got places like this that open themselves up and allow people to be creative and to mix with other people that are creative. Things like this help to build confidence in students to then go out there and find those jobs or find those opportunities themselves.
Yeah, I think it's important. There's a lot of information that's available on the internet, but you lack that experience there. And so places like this are really great opportunities for young people to come and learn from people that have been in the industry or have done the things that they want to do, and just get that experiential learning that doesn't exist anywhere else.